Do you remember that first winter when we built a tarp shed on top of the boat and found out after a massive storm that the structure wasn't quite as bulletproof as we had thought? How about when we said we were shrink wrapping the boat so that this same scenario wouldn't happen again this past winter? Well, it wasn't exactly the same scenario, but let's just say that shrink wrapping a boat isn't foolproof either.
We're Murray, Heather, Eve, and Pearl Ginnick. We're a Canadian family of 4 who is always planning our next adventure. Winters are long and summers are short, so we try to make the most of each season. Oh, and if you're new here, in September 2022, we bought this project sailboat. Our plan is to get the boat splash ready for sometime in 2025 so we can sail south. Join us if you like watching boat work, roadside adventures, and trips to escape the winter blues. Hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on Ginnick's on the go.
So this morning I came by to use the forklift and I noticed that the boat came loose again. There's a couple of issues. The shrink wrap broke around the rope here, but the big issue comes to how we have it wrapped up at the door. At the door we left a gap, so right now we've got a funnel that puts a lot of pressure inside the boat as the wind comes, and we're getting this flapping and stuff like that. So we've got to fix the boat so that we can keep it sealed all winter long.
It was probably only December, but it was cold and windy. Yet to acclimatize to the frigid weather, I held the camera while Murray attempted to rescue the ropes that were within the wrap. It's so windy today. Next, he needed to shrink some of the excess wrap so as to lessen the amount of tunnel we were providing the wind. So this is the biggest problem, is that you come up the stairs and it's just windy. You've got a big hole up at the top now.
Yeah. Bring a board in, I'm going to put it over top of this one and nail it into there.
Okay. You're gonna have to make that tighter too, eh? It's so loud in here because it's like super windy. You can see all the tarps flapping. Yeah, it's really hard to try to make a structure that you're going to be able to work in during the winter when it's such a big boat and it's literally like a wind tunnel where we are. Yeah, it's the opening it that's not so easy.
Oh, Christ, that's so loose.
Because that side's super loose.
Yeah, so you got to tighten up the ropes. The other issue was that some of the ropes have gotten
Broken?
Yeah.
You want me to close this door while you do that? Or? Like, and this here is also a problem. I don't know if you could maybe put like some plywood or something down. Yeah. The call of the boat. That big flapping of the tarp. Like a Canada Goose call.
That's the stuff they add to it to make it smell bad.
So you know it's leaking.
Yeah. Yeah, not the right tool. I'll just say that one more time.
Do you ever use the right tool?
No, I never use the right tool. Right tool for the right job, right? Yeah.
If it works, isn't it the right tool? Don't do that while we're inside, though.
Why?
Because I want to be outside and I don't want to light the freaking place on fire.
I thought you wanted to burn it down.
Not this place. That's not on. Not while you're being videotaped. Let's go shrink wrap some more. Shrinky dinky. I need another glove on. It is cold out here. I don't know what it is. Minus 15 probably? Celsius?
See, this is like the temperature.
Now,
Oh,
maybe go on the top of that instead. No? Shrink the top instead. Like using your light bulb. That's a light bulb moment.
so.
So cold. I have these on. They're not warm enough. Like, honestly, don't try to wrap a boat when it's like minus 15. We did this like, I don't know, a couple weeks ago where we wrapped the boat and it wasn't that cold. But when your wrap fails and it gets really bloody cold, like today is like minus 15, it's just brutal. It's so windy out there. And like he says, hire a professional. I don't know if that was even an option for us to hire a professional. Like they usually work at the marinas and they don't usually come out to your property because they probably have like, I would imagine some kind of like a boom lift that they would get around the top of the boat. Maybe I'm crazy. Probably don't know what the hell I'm talking about, but yeah. This is what happens when you have to rewrap the boat because you didn't think about certain things like creating a wind tunnel when you wanted to have a little porch to keep your stairs clear of snow. Didn't seem to make a lot of sense when it was put on there. After some convincing, we thought the shrink wrap shelter was sufficient enough to last the rest of the winter. Oh boy, were we mistaken. A few weeks later, Murray found that there was not just one, but two gaping holes in the shrink wrap, one of which was not optional to be repaired. So, On a frigid winter day in Thunder Bay, Ontario, the guys set to work to surgically repair the structure covering the ark to try to keep the rest of the snow outside of the boat. Step 1. Get the forklift started. And I assure you, this forklift was not interested in why she needed to work today, but eventually she did agree after a bit of coaxing.
Come on. It's cold out too.
What's the temperature today?
I think she's still at -9
No?
Celsius.
So
I don't think that's that cold.
Needs a shot of ether
Oh.
almost.
Oh, it's -9.
Step 2. Get the basket on the forks so we could hoist Mr. Fix-It Murray into the air for surgery.
come on.
Step 2, part 2, get the forklift unstuck. I wasn't exactly anticipating that to be a problem.
Sorry about it.
And I guess step 2, part 3 is unload all this crap off the basket.
I am so happy because I am the first getting on this for the season. Slightly back. Muri,
Hey, there he is. Look at my forklift drivers here.
slightly back.
Yeah, I should grab some more tape. I want tape again. Can I go up?
Hold on. You might need something to break the ice because ice is okay.
Step 3. Chisel the ice that had accumulated on the decks in order to free up the shrink wrap so that the guys could get the two sides to meet.
She is saying pull up your pants.
Okay, kick out a bit. Yeah.
Yeah. It's a bit heavy.
Okay. Okay, we'll back up.
How did you get here?
Sure.
Oh.
What? Oh. There. Okay. Okay, you want to move? Ice is in your way now. What? The ice is. Okay, that's good there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, hand me that roll. Roll.
Step 4, turn Vic into a popsicle while he held up the plastic and Murray applied the sutures, aka the tuck tape.
I don't know if this is gonna stick.
Might not, but maybe. Can we put stapler?
No, how do you staple to it? Okay, let's move forward, Pete. That's good. Yeah. That's... Pull it up as much as you can.
Huh? Okay.
Okay.
I have my hand on the back for backing.
Yeah. Oops. Come on now. There you go. Oh, that's easy. Okay, you want to back up and we'll take it a little bit further away? Yeah. I'm as happy as I can be, buddy.
Step 5, hope and pray that Mother Nature would give us a break and spring would be here soon. If you enjoyed this episode, there's still lots more to come, so hit that subscribe button. It's totally free, and help us get to 1,000 subscribers this year. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.